This client spent 5 full hours on our production floor on day 2. Our engineer accompanied him through every single station on the line. He wasn't just watching how the machine moved. He was asking why it was designed that way. At the press fit station, he pointed at the machine and asked, why do you inspect 3 times instead of once? Isn't once enough? E times instead of once. Isn't once enough? Our engineer explained, our press fit inspection is divided into 3 stages. The first force value is recorded at initial contact, the second at the midpoint of compression, and the third when fully pressed. These 3 data points form a curve. If the curve is normal, the assembly is normal. If any segment deviates, we can pinpoint the exact issue immediately. He paused for a few seconds after hearing this, then said, this is better than what your proposal described. The proposal only mentioned pressure inspection. I didn't expect it to be a 3-stage process.